In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use Surfshark VPN. Surfshark is a fantastic tool that enhances your online privacy and security, making your browsing experience safer and more secure. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step, so you can start using Surfshark in no time. First up, we need to visit Surfshark's official website. You can do this by typing surfshark.com into your browser's address bar. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll find everything you need for setting up your VPN. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the site if you like. But our focus right now is getting your VPN up and running. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on My Account. This link will take you to a page where you can either log in or create a new account. If you're new to Surfshark, you'll want to sign up first. For those who already have an account, simply click on Log In. Enter your credentials and you'll be good to go. Once logged in, you'll land on the Surfshark homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your Surfshark account and services. It's user-friendly and designed to give you quick access to all its features. Now, let's get to downloading the app. From the home dashboard, locate and click on the Download Apps section. This is where you'll choose the right application for your specific device. Surfshark is compatible with a wide range of devices, so whether you're on a Windows PC, a Mac, or even a smartphone, you'll find what you need right here. After selecting your device, follow the instructions to download and install the application. Once installed, open the app. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to navigate, even if you're not a tech-savvy person. With the app open, you're only a couple of clicks away from being connected. Look for the button that prompts you to connect to a VPN server. Click on it, and voila, you're now connected. Surfshark will automatically select the best server for you. But if you have a specific location in mind, feel free to choose your preferred server from the list. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully downloaded and set up Surfshark VPN. Enjoy secure and private browsing wherever you go, knowing that your data is being protected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials.